Good morning, everybody. Trying to get out here and get a little video of the pigs before the sun gets up. Once it gets sun's up, they pretty much take it easy after that. But we'll see if I can get around here without Dottie going wild. She doesn't like me in here. But you can see the pigs are growing. They're out here making dust clouds. It's so dry. We desperately need some rain, and hopefully we're going to get some this weekend sometime. But I keep this stick here. I have to bring it in here with me because, man, she's ornery, I'm telling you. But you can see her pigs are looking good. Bunches of them. She just doesn't let me get near them. So I've got to get in here and cut these pigs somehow. I'm afraid she might tear the whole let down when she hears them squealing. But anyway, just wanted you to get a quick shot of them. I think the high this morning was 88 degrees, about 3:30 this morning, so it's going to be another scorcher today. There's some cool weather on the way. So anyway, just wanted to get a shot, and the big old girl and her pigs, they're really growing good. I'll see you later.